Using the Coravin Model 11 is as easy as insert, tip, and pour. Before starting, don't forget to fully charge your system. Connect the provided USB to any standard adapter and plug it in. Connect the small end of the cord to your system. The battery icon will begin to flash, indicating that your system is charging, and will turn solid when your system is fully charged. Disconnect the USB cord from the system before use. Connect your system to the Coravin Moments app to monitor system stats and access additional system controls. A red light ring indicates the Coravin capsule is empty and needs to be replaced. To install or replace a Coravin Pure Argon capsule, begin by holding the clamp lever up. Slide the clamp all the way up and unscrew the capsule cup. Insert the round end of the capsule into the capsule cup and quickly screw the cup back onto the system. Slide the clamp back down until it locks into place. A blue light indicates your system is ready. Step 1. Insert. Place the clamp over the neck of the bottle and push down with your hand. Step 2. Tip. Hold the spout over the glass and tilt the bottom of the bottle up. Step 3. Pour. Wine will pour automatically. To stop the flow of wine, tilt the bottle to an upright position at any time. When you're done, grasp the handle while holding the bottle and firmly pull the handle up until the system comes off the bottle. It's not unusual for the needle to leave behind a drop of wine on top of the cork or foil. Just wait a few seconds while the cork fully reseals, and then wipe it off. Rinse your system before storing and dry with a soft cloth. Store your wine bottles on their side in a cool place, away from direct sunlight, and preserve what's left of your bottle for weeks, months, or even years.